unboxing of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. So the configuration I have here, the model I've got is the 512 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM. So it does start from 250 gigabytes. You get a reduced RAM, 8 gig, but anything from 512 up to 1 terabyte, you do get the 12 gigabytes of RAM. The color I've got here is the cream. This year it does come in 8 different colors. So you've got the coral, you've got the green, you've got the lavender, cream, and there's other online exclusive colors as well. So yeah, might as well get straight into it. Okay. So we've got the Ultra, there's 23 Ultra here. Just gonna put that to one side for a second. So inside the box, so you get the Type-C connector. Get the quick start guide and some warranty information. More warranty information here. You get the SIM ejection tool. And obviously now with the newer phones you don't get a power brick, but let's have a close look at the phone. So in terms of the actual design, it looks very similar to the S22 Ultra in terms of the camera array. So you've still got the main cameras, your LED flash, sensors. On the top you've got a microphone. On the bottom got the SIM slot. You've got the 2 mics. See that too well. Either side of the Type-C port. You've got your speaker. You've got the S Pen. On the sides, so this side is clear. On my right hand side, you've got the volume keys and you've got the power button. Guys, stay tuned. First impression videos come up shortly. Hit the like and subscribe button if you're new. To my current subscribers, big thank you, and I'll see you shortly in the next video.